Hi, this is Bryce Carter, Colorado Program Director of Solar United Neighbors, with an important late summer PSA. That when you get your late time summer snows in Colorado, it tends to cover up your solar panels and they won't be able to produce electricity. Not until the storm clears and you're able to have that snow melt off, we'll be able to get to the full production once again. The good news is that after all the wildfires and ash that's fallen from the sky, this is going to help wash some of that off. So with that little update said, I also wanted to say congratulations to everyone that is a solar co-op member. We recently have surpassed 1 megawatt of capacity across Colorado. That means over 140 families and businesses have decided to go solar and all together have helped invest $2.5 million in the local economy. Thank you to all of our partners, volunteers, and leaders in making this possible. And we're really excited to continue the momentum in the work to help people go solar, come together, and fight for energy rights. So thank you, and I will see you around. Enjoy this lovely summer weather we're having.